Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's video I'm gonna show you how to find save reel draft on Instagram. Let's say that you made a reel, and if you made it before posting it, it will be saved into your draft, and I'm gonna show you where to find that draft, sorry. And here I've already on Instagram, so what you need to do is you need to click on the plus icon and then go to reel. This one's right here, so this is reel. And what you need to do next is click on the plus icon at the bottom, and here you'll find drafts. Click on the draft, and here is the draft on my Instagram. And if you want to open it, just click on the draft, and here is the draft that you saved before, and you can edit it, or you can also save the draft again, or you can directly share it to your friend on Instagram. Okay, so that's it from me. That is how you can find your save reels draft on Instagram. If you got any question, feel free to drop it in a comment, and if you feel the video is helpful, don't forget to click on like and subscribe for more contents. I'll catch you all in the next video. Thank you guys.